Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can take a panorama video on the iPhone 14 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the camera app. In here you want to swipe across at the bottom, so swipe across until it says panel, and then first align up your phone from the left and then tap on the shoot button and then slowly move to the right. So slowly turn your phone to the right. Make sure the arrow stays on a straight line so that you can keep your photo straight. Once you are ready, just tap on the stop button to stop. And that is how you can take a panorama video or picture on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.